Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who haven't been here before, hi, I'm Lori Hill. And on this channel, we talk about beauty, skincare, makeup, and all things that make you beautiful without surgery. Recently, YouTube has changed its algorithm and it now seems to favor videos that people subscribe during watching, if that makes sense. So if they're subscribing while they're watching the video or shortly after to that creator, they're favoring those videos. If any of you out there who aren't subscribed would like to subscribe, it would really help my channel. So you always hear about what we lose during perimenopause and menopause: collagen, sleep, energy, libido, your hair. But today, I'm going to tell you what grew when I got on HRT. Because this journey wasn't about relief, it was about revival. This is what came back to life when I finally gave my body what it had been lacking for years, and thus gave it the support it really needed. Let's start out with aesthetics that grew. Hair growth. My hair, as I've talked about before, had been slowly losing density. It wasn't dramatic, but it was pretty noticeable. I remember going to the hairdresser for the first time, and he had mentioned that my hair was just medium density. After years, decades of hairdressers saying that I had the thickest hair they'd ever seen and that my hair made them look good even if they weren't that good at cutting, I was shocked, but he was right. My hair had lost at least 50% of its density. My ponytail had been getting smaller as I was measuring the circumference of it, and I also noticed thinning at my hairline. But once I began HRT, which consisted of estrogen in the form of a patch and progesterone in the form of a pill, new growth came in, and I really noticed it in the diameter of my ponytail. I now officially measure as having thick hair. This happens because estrogen keeps hair in its anagen phase, which is the growth cycle. When your estrogen dips, hair follicles shut down early. Restoring estrogen reawakens that cycle, and I could see and feel the difference. Eyebrows. Now, I used to have a bald patch on my eyebrows right here, my left eyebrow, for years. After I began HRT, that brow filled in with hair. I now am almost at the point where I don't need to use a brow pencil on my eyebrows anymore, which is really amazing. I'm almost there. I almost have my full eyebrows back, and it's amazing. Another thing I gained was facial softness and roundness and femininity to my facial features. I began noticing a gentler roundness return to my face, especially in the cheek area. There was just more softness, more dimension. Estrogen is deeply tied to how we hold water and collagen in our faces. This is why it's often referred to as the beauty hormone, because it supports our glow, our shape, and our suppleness. And this supportive nature of estrogen lends to our femininity and looking healthy. Another thing that improved, my skin texture. My skin went from dry and reactive and crepey to soft and resilient. I noticed that my cuts were healing faster after I got on HRT. I noticed less scarring after the cuts healed. I noticed quicker recovery. This is so key, especially for those who are planning to have any kind of plastic or cosmetic surgery. It's key that you get your HRT or your hormones balanced prior to doing that for the sake of really great recovery, if not your whole mental and physical being. Going back to my skin actually feels like it contains moisture again. When I touch my facial skin, it feels full of water. It feels bouncy and hydrated. Now, of course, some of this is due to having a great skincare routine, but a lot of it is due to getting on HRT as well. So my skin actually held that moisture again. The texture evened out. My skin wasn't as likely to look crepey in areas that it really looked crepey before. And I started waking up with that calm, rested look. Before we move on, I want to actually share how I got access to HRT because it is really really hard for women in their 40s to get HRT, and sometimes even women in their 50s. As a woman, we've all had moments where we left medical appointments feeling really unheard. I know I have had this, as I have had doctors tell me I was too young to be going through perimenopause. If you've ever thought, I don't feel like myself anymore, but no one's listening, you're not alone. That's when I found MIDI Health, a virtual clinic built for women by women. I came across it on a menopause forum. I was reading comment after comment from women who said, I finally felt heard when they visited MIDI. So I gave it a try. 80% of OBGYNs aren't trained in menopause care, so no wonder we get dismissed. With MIDI, I created an account, added my insurance, and booked a virtual appointment. Literally, it was Friday. I got my appointment on Monday. It took a couple minutes. Then I met my treatment coordinator, Tracy. She had a blue streak in her hair, which I love. But what stood out to me more was her attitude. She listened. She validated everything I was experiencing. And I told her everything: mood swings, depression, anxiety, hot flashes, dry skin, and of course, that overwhelming dread I felt. And she listened. She didn't brush it off. She said, oh yeah, you're in full swing. Let's get you started. And I asked if I could get my prescription that day, and she said, absolutely. I am sending it into your pharmacy as we speak. No waiting, no fighting, just care that respected my experience. Since then, we've followed up many times. We've adjusted my plan and even worked with my other providers. There's no membership fee, and they bill your insurance like any regular clinic. If you're ready to feel like yourself again, go to trymidi.com/Lori Hill and use code SAVE15 for 15% off your first RX product, because you deserve a provider that treats your symptoms like they matter, because they do. Another change I didn't expect, but deeply welcomed, was to my body shape. Now, I had always been kind of straight and lean, athletic looking. Over time, my physical curves had started to flatten out. Not just due to age and weight shifts, but because hormones actually influence where we hold volume, and also with that, where we hold fat. After starting HRT, I noticed just a subtle softening, especially to my hips and my lower body, that I don't really think I ever fully had, as I was always kind of like a lean, tall, athletic type of body. My shape became just more curvy and feminine, rounder in places that had become angular. My butt had more curve, which is something I definitely wasn't used to, that I highly welcomed. It wasn't weight gain per se, it was like weight redistribution. A more natural contour returned. This shift felt like I was coming more into alignment with the body that I recognized, and partially with the body that I had always wanted, which was just a curvier body type. HRT didn't change who I was. It gave me back things that had quietly slipped away. Moving on to optimism and joy. Before HRT, I would wake up with dread, even though nothing was really wrong. Like, have you ever had that feeling? I lost the ability to feel excited about my life and my future. Once we got my hormones balanced, that shifted. I began waking up with possibility in my mind. That hum of hopelessness was gone, you guys. And I was able to laugh again, like really laugh. My sense of joy grew. And it felt authentic because it wasn't just occasional joy. Every day I felt joy, which was so different from the years of not being on HRT. Something else that grew was my enthusiasm. I became interested in life again. I wanted to try things, create things, make plans for the future. The spark returned, not just energy, but engagement. I stopped just existing and started really participating in my life. Confidence and femininity. There's a confidence that comes from truly inhabiting your body. I felt grounded, open, and connected to my femininity. Not in a performative way, but in a deeply embodied way. I stopped shrinking and started expressing myself. One of the most unexpected things that grew was my sense of calm. Before HRT, my anxiety was literally daily through the roof without warning. I didn't even identify it as anxiety because it had become my new norm. It just felt like I was always bracing for something, or I could be having a good day, but I felt the underlying anxiety still. I could never fully relax. My chest was usually tight. My stomach was usually uneasy. Even on the quiet days, my nervous system seemed like it was in overdrive. Once my hormones began to rebalance with HRT, that noise faded. The intensity that I had gotten used to slowly began to unravel. I could sit in stillness without being restless. My thoughts weren't racing. They weren't catastrophic anymore. And that fragile, panicked edge I had in the mornings, it's gone. First it softened and now it's completely gone. And for me, what grew was not the absence of anxiety, but the presence of peace. I could pause, I could exhale and be present. So HRT really made my calmness just grow. Next, my energy came back, not as a jolt, but as a steady current that I could really rely on. I started weightlifting again, but heavier than ever before. And my enthusiasm and my energy for the gym really returned. I was a gym lover when I was younger, but it really came back after HRT. Now I can go to the gym steadily 4 times a week and just feel great as a result of that. My sleep grew. I sleep 9 hours a night now, and I wake up very refreshed. I usually do not wake when I'm sleeping unless I'm woken. And more importantly, it's a very deep sleep that I haven't had before starting HRT. No waking up at 3 a.m., no restlessness or thinking your whole night while you're sleeping. It's just great sleep. And last but not least, my libido came back. My libido didn't just return, but it became part of me again. I felt connected to my body, my senses. I am just present in intimacy again. So if any of you have lost that feeling, HRT might be your answer. And guys, if this video is helping you, please press the like button and make sure to subscribe and comment. That would be awesome. HRT didn't make me someone completely new. It helped me remember who I was. And I think that's the most powerful kind of growth. Share in the comments what's grown for you since starting HRT. Or what are you hoping to reclaim? Because this chapter is still yours to write. And for those of you out there who want really easy access to HRT, please go visit my sponsor, MIDI, and I've included their information down below in the description box. They were like my lifesaver, and I think they could be yours too. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.
Bye.